Hi friends. Welcome to our channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel for latest beauty updates. Best remedy for acne, pimples, scar, skin peoples. Take handful of fresh neem leaves and wash it thoroughly. Boil about a glass of water. Add handful of neem leaves to it. Add a pinch of turmeric. Boil it until the leaves are soft and discolored, and the water turns green. Let it cool down and strain the water. You can store it in a bottle for 3 days. Spray the water on your face or dip a cotton ball into it and wipe your face and leave it on for 1 hour. Using neem water as a skin toner regularly will help in clearing acne, scars, pigmentation and blackheads. Neem is an excellent remedy for treating oily skin and acne. It has been known to have potent antibacterial properties and that can help get rid of acne as well as acne marks. This natural ingredient is also known to be free of any side effects and is beneficial for almost all skin types. One teaspoon of neem powder, few drops honey, add a pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix it well. Apply this pack on your face and leave it for 10 minutes and wash off. Neem powder have the most nutrients which are used to remove all skin problems. The antioxidants in neem are beneficial for reducing melanin production of your skin, which helps to even out your skin tone. It also reduces the dark spots, blemishes and any kind of redness on your skin. It eliminates any kind of breakouts and soothes itchy skin too. It's work together to remove excess oil, clean clogged pores and helps prevent the recurrence of pimples. Do subscribe, like, share it with your friends. Thank you.